In this video on supervised learning, we'll be looking at what is supervised learning and linear regression, also explaining how the algorithm works and the stages that are involved with training the model. Supervised learning, also known as supervised machine learning, is a subcategory of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It is defined by its use of labeled datasets to train algorithms that classify data or predict outcomes accurately. As input data is fed into the model, it adjusts its weights until the model has been fitted appropriately. In this example, we have a table showing time spent per hours to the final grade the students received. So in the left column, we could see we have what is referred to as the data. In the right column, we have what is referred to as the labels. So as you can see, the first student who revised for 9 hours ended up with 79% overall grade. We can now use this to then train our models. In essence, linear regression is the same thing as placing a line of best fit to your data as you would do in a science lesson. However, with more mathematical procedures underpinning the process, rather than just taking your ruler and pen and plotting a line on your graph by estimating. Linear regression is a statistical method for modeling data. The model aims to fit a line of best fit to the data. The line of best fit is achieved by using multiple predictions and then comparing the predictions to the actual label value. This is done multiple times, and the line with the smallest overall error is used. So the model initially will just place a line of best fit and then calculate what was his predictions against the actual labels. It then figures out, well, what is the error between the predictions and the actual label. It will then keep doing this multiple times until overall it finds a line that produces the least amount of errors. And then this line is then used for the model. In our example, this is what the final model would look like to our data. So our model predicts that if you studied for 4 hours, you would then get 43% in your final grade. If you studied for 2 hours, you would get 28%. And if you would study for 10 hours, you would get 87%. To summarize, linear regression is a supervised learning method. It is a statistical method for modeling data. The model aims to fit a line of best fit to the data. The line of best fit is achieved by using multiple predictions and then comparing the predictions to that of the actual label value. This is done multiple times and the line with the smallest overall error is used.